Hi guys, in this video we are going to integrate WhatsApp to our WP Forms and Gravity Forms. When a customer or a subscriber uses our forms on our website, they will get the details on their WhatsApp. As you can see, this is a simple form for the health insurance. So when a customer come and fill all these data, and when they complete the details, and when they click on the submit button, at the same time they will get a WhatsApp notification regarding all these details, like you can see your form submitted successfully and all the details about the customer. Everything will be WhatsApp on their mobile number. And like the same way we can integrate WP forms also, like WhatsApp, like this. If a customer add his name, email address, phone number and all these details on our website, and when he click on the submit button, they will get a WhatsApp notification instantly. And this is totally free and you don't need to pay anything. And if you need additional options, you can just pay for on our WP Notifier website. So initially, first you want to go to meta-developers.facebook.com and you need to create a app. Just click on create app and you can see here, choose the business option here and click on next. And once the app, you can give an app name and the contact email etc here. And now just click on create app, and now you will get a dashboard like this. Now choose the WhatsApp option from here, click on setup. Once the WhatsApp option is, click on setup and you can see a WhatsApp window here, and just click on next. And wait for some time to create a business account for your app. Okay, now you can see a window like this. Here you can add a mobile number to test. Just add your WhatsApp number here and you can just check it. Is everything working fine? You can add your number and you can see a message, send message and successfully send message. Now there is no errors, you can start customizing it. So now just go to this website wanotifier.com and create an account there. Just create a free account, and here you can add the username, first name, and you can completely fill all these details, and you can verify the email address on your email. Once the verification completed, it will take you to another window. You can just click on I understand and accept option, and here you can just copy the access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business ID from your Facebook dashboard. Just copy the access token and phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID, which you can see here. Just copy all these things here and paste and save and validate. Okay guys, now you can just send a test message here also. Now the test message is sent successfully and everything works fine. So now you go to the Facebook dashboard and you can just make your app live. Before that, you have to add your privacy policy URL and terms of service etc there. Once your app is live, you can go to the WhatsApp again as you are seeing in the video. Now just click on getting started and you can go to there and you can add your phone number there. Okay guys, now just add your phone number, because your business WhatsApp number here. Just add the business name, your business email, etc. here, and you can add your mobile number here. So make sure your WhatsApp business number here, just add. If I recommend try a new number, otherwise sometime it will get some problems. So you can just get a new number and you can use it for your business. You can add a number. Okay, once you add that, just click on configure webhooks, click on there, and here you can add your webhooks, etc. Just click on edit, and the callback URL you will get from your Wanotifier dashboard itself. You can just copy that and paste this, and you can verify for your website. Once you paste that, verify and save. Okay guys, now we have verified our webhook. Now you can click on the data field option and make sure to subscribe all these things like security, phone number, quality update, and just subscribe all these things and click on done. Once you have done that, you can create a permanent token to leave the text message. Now go to the WhatsApp manager section and click on business settings. And here you can see the system users. Just add a system user. You can add any name there. You can add some system username. You can add any name. Just add the name and just give the user role as admin, and next, and done. Now you can add the asset option. Just click on add assets and go to the app section. Here you can see the app you created. Just select that and give the permission for manage app full control. Now just click on save changes. Okay, click on done. Now you can generate a new token. Click on new, generate new token. Here select the app and you can select the WhatsApp business management and the WhatsApp business messaging. These two options make sure selected and click on generate token. And now your token is generated. Just copy that and paste it on your Wanotifier option. Just refresh it because we are using on the test mode. If you are using your own mobile number, you can just paste it there. When you refresh it, it is already connected and it saved successfully. Okay, our WhatsApp Notifier dashboard is connected with our cloud API now. So you need to verify it when you are using for your website. So you can see on your dashboard itself, you can just click on this link and you can just verify your WhatsApp business and everything on the Facebook dashboard itself. Okay, now go to the message template section and you can create some templates for your WooCommerce order notifications. So first you need to get approved from the Facebook and come to the plugin section and click on add new. Search for Wanotifier plugin. As you can see, Wanotifier plugin is available on WordPress directory. You can install and activate this plugin and just click on activate the plugin. Now you can see the Wanotifier option on the left hand side. Just click on there and you can get an API key. You can see the link for that, settings, API as you are seeing in the video. Just click on that link and you will get the API key here. Now just copy this API key, copy the API key and paste it on your website and submit and validate. Once you are done that, just go to the triggers section and create a new trigger for the Gravity forms or WP forms. Whatever forms you are using, you can create the trigger. You can add a trigger name here. If we are using for the Gravity forms, just try Gravity forms or whatever form name you can add there, and you can see the Gravity forms option on the trigger section, and you can select all these options and select all the recipient field, also select all, and now just click on save and publish. And now you need to enable the trigger. You just click on enable option and just click on update, and the trigger will be enabled on our website. And now you can just go to the Wanotifier dashboard and you can create a new template. Just select the add new template and you can give a template name here. You can just type the template name here. Make sure it should be on the small letters and select the category as transactional and language English. You can also create at your own language. After that you can choose the header type and the header text option, and also you can use the media for the header text option, and you can just upload your logos or whatever image you need. You can just upload that, and you can also add documents also like PDF files, etc. You can use it on the WhatsApp option here and select the text option. Now we are using the text option. Now you can add a header text here. You can add any texters here. After that you can just create it submitted. Okay guys, now you can go to the body content section, and here you can add your template name. So dear customer, instead of customer name you can add the variable option. Just click on that plus sign and you can add your template here. If you have variable options, then you need to choose the variable options from the right hand side. You can see a plus icon. Just click on add variable and you can just complete your body contents. This is a demo website and I am just creating a demo content. You can create your own contents, and once you have done that, just click on add variable again. And you need any reference, you can just go to the data field section of our trigger, and you can see all the data fields which we are used on the forms, and all the data fields you are used on the forms you can see here. So just select that and you can create the template the way you want. You can just create the template like this. You can add like this. This is for an insurance company template, so you can create for your shop or for your order form, etc. here like this. Just select the address, etc. here. All the data fields we are used on the forms will be available here also on the trigger section also. So it is easy to understand, so you can just copy and you can create the template files here. Once you complete that, you can add the variable and you can add sample text for the variables. So you can just select the sample texters as we are going to use on the particular place. So just copy and paste it from the trigger section, and from the data field section you can see a unique ID we are using. All these data fields is we are used on our form, so it is available on the trigger section also. So we are just copying and pasting, and just copy and pasting over here. Okay, we can copy and paste everything. Okay guys, now we can go to the footer text option, and if you want you can add the footer text. And the button type, you can choose the button type like visit website or call phone number, etc. here. And if you want you can choose both of them, and you can just create a button text here, and you can complete the button text. You can add any button text here. You can add track order or whatever things you need, you can just add there. And you can add your website URL, and you can add your website URL, and you can add the button text for the call now option. You can add your mobile number, etc. here. And now just click on submit for approval. Once you are done everything, just click on submit for approval. Once you are done that, you can see the template submitted successfully. Now just refresh and you can see our status has been approved, our template has been approved. Now go to the notification settings, click on notifications and click on add new, and here you can just click on add new, and you can create a new notification. You can add the gravity forms. First we created template, now we are creating the notification on the Wanotifier. Now select the gravity forms which we created a trigger. It will be automatically updated on our Wanotifier dashboard. So you can select that, and you can see a phone option is available on the recipient field. And after that you can choose the message template, the recently approved template which we created for the gravity forms. You can just select that here on the message template section. Just select the message template from the list, and we have a lot of template. Just select the recently created template, and the assign values to the template variables which we used on the triggers. You can see all these gravity forms data fields are updated to Wanotifier dashboard. So you can easily integrate all these data fields with the plugins. You can just assign according to the template. You can just assign all the data fields. It's super easy and super simple to do. So you need to just select all these details. Select all the details. You can just select the or data fields. Once you completed that, you can choose the details and you can just click on save. Okay guys, our notification is just added. Now we can test. This is the form which we created, so we are adding all the datas, and you can select the date of birth, etc. here. Then customer can add their mobile number. Okay, now just click on next, and we can complete all these details, and you can complete all the details. And when we click on submit, and our WhatsApp notification is coming to the customer mobile number with all the details we added, and everything works successfully. Now we can create WPForms integration also the way same like this. It's super easy. Now go to add trigger section and just create WPForms as a title, and now you can see WPForms here. So you need to install the WPForms plugin and the Gravity Forms plugin before we use on the WordPress. Okay, without using the plugin it will not be available. So you can see the WPForms plugin on the WordPress directory. You can just install that, and now just click on publish, and you can just enable that. The same trigger which we used for the Gravity Forms, also the same method we are using here also. It's super easy. Once you are done that, go to the template section and you can add a template name WPForms, and you can just add the transactional and the texters header as texter, and you can add a header text. You can add a body content. All the data fields you can see on the trigger section, so you can just copy and paste it. You can add the variables here, and if you want you can add some bold texters. You can add some star signs before the texters. You can see the bold option is available, and the italic options like changing the texters and everything is available. You can add a star like this, and if you want you can just select the unwanted spaces. Just delete the unwanted spaces here. Now you can add the stars, and you can see the section is bold. You can add all the triggers here. Just copy and paste all the triggers, and you can paste all the trigger. You can just add the data fields. Just copy and paste. And if you are using Wanotifier plugin, a premium option is available, and you can just subscribe that, and you can just remove your footer texters, and lot of other options are available on the premium version. Like you can use the webhooks also. It's a very good option, so you can try after trying these free options. Okay guys, and once we submitted the message templates, just refresh that. Okay, our template is approved. Now go to the add new option. Now just select the WPForms on the notification area and select transactional, and you can see the WPForms here, and you can select the message template, and you can select the values of the variables. You can just select all the variables here. You can choose the project name, budget, etc., and now just click on save. And now everything works fine. We can just check it out. Just go to the WPForms area, and you can complete all these details. A customer come and they will complete the details like their name, email address, and the mobile number. The customer enter their WhatsApp number here. Tell me about your project, and they can choose the budget, and they can click on submit, and the same time they will get the WhatsApp notification. Now everything working fine, and thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.